Clean your cabinets with me in less than 5 minutes. This spin mop is amazing, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you exactly why. First off, it has a handle. I love that. It has wheels that you can roll it around. It has a hole on the side that you can open and close for any remaining water that might be in there. But all you need are good old Fabuloso and hot water. Make sure it's hot, hot, hot. Let that go. I have, this is the 2 times concentrated formula, so I only need a little bit. You don't want to put too much of your cleaning product in there because, again, we're doing the cabinets, so it's not something that you want to have a lot of suds, you know, and you don't want to, you know, you really need to, you don't need that much product. So just go ahead and put a little bit in there. Put that to the side. And while my hot water is warming up, I did put a fresh, brand new, you know, mop head on. Usually when I do it, I like to make sure that I don't mix them up when I do the cabinet ones. So I always make sure that I have a nice, clean, fresh one. And that water is hot, 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 hot. So we'll go ahead and there's in the actual bucket, there's a little piece down at the bottom. I usually like to fill it to that because that'll give it enough room to spin. Okay. And put that down. Because again, you're doing your kitchen cabinets, so you don't want it all, you know, dripping down or anything. So you just push it over like that. I like to make sure that it has it on both sides. And you give it a nice rub down. You can get all the spots. Look at how easy that is. There's no drip, there's no mess. You can get it done super fast. I don't know if you can see. Undo the top. Over to this side. Can't wait till my other camera comes in. I got the one that actually moves with you. So we'll see how that one works. But for now, cleaning still gotta get done. Using the Fabuloso too because it smells so good. And again, you can go ahead and clean the, I just wash and bleach my mop heads, and then I can use it for whatever. You can still use them for cleaning your floors, or it can be used to clean your walls, it could for your floors, your baseboards. I love it for my kitchen cabinets because it just takes so much less time. I mean, I still have, let's see, we got to do that over there, that side, and then we're done. But as you can see, it's just so much better with the actual spin mop. So I'll go ahead and put a link below for you to get yours. And let me know in the comments after you try it how much you love it. And like, follow, and share. Appreciate it. And make today great.